we proceed to create the back wall. We are going to take this wine glass and we are going to rename it. Let's call it wine glass. Let's hide it by clicking on the eye to the top right corner. Let's also hide the light. We can always show it later on when we need it. Let's press Shift A, add mesh plane. Let's press 7 to go to the top view. Now let's enlarge it over the y-axis. We are going to press S10 Y return. Now let's enlarge it over the x-axis. We are going to press S, X as in X-ray, 5 return. We are going to switch to edit mode by pressing Tab. Let's make sure that we have the edge select mode enabled by clicking on the middle icon to the top left corner. Let's click to the left edge, and now we are going to press 1 to go to the front orthographic projection view. I am going to zoom in a little bit so that you can see. Now we need to extrude by pressing E, and now we move up and left a little bit. Let's click again, and now let's press E again, and now we move up and left a little bit, and then we click. Now we press E again, and now let's press Z to constrain the movement to the Z axis, and now we move up, and then click. Now we can zoom out and notice that we have created this vertical back wall. Now let's press Tab to go into object mode, and now we can hold the mouse wheel to orbit. Let's right click and select Shade Smooth. Let's change the name. Instead of plane, let's call it wall, and press Enter.